Hello, my name is Dumitru Muncitoru. Student ID is 220237556, and I'll be doing the presentation for BM632, which is Managing and Developing Innovation and Creativity. The assignment name is PR1, Enhancing Digital Accessibility for Diverse Learning Needs. And for the introduction, the subject matter focuses on improving digital accessibility in bookshops and it emphasizes how critical it is to accommodate a range of learning styles and accessibility needs. Digital platforms are becoming essential for learning and introduction access, thus bookstores must adapt by incorporating technology that supports all customers regardless of their physical or learning disabilities. The goal of this project is to turn bookshops into completely inclusive tools that give every community member more influence, according to the Publishing Post 2020. The identification of a problem. The digital resources now available in bookstores frequently don't meet the needs of people who have learning difficulties or who need alternate forms. For a large segment of the community, educational options are restricted due to this lack of accessibility. The digital inclusion is essential because increasing access opens up new avenues for learning and encourages more active participation in the community. Bookstores can continue to play a vital role in promoting education and serving all customers by putting an emphasis on diversity in digital resources. To meet different learning needs, incorporate technology for adaptive reading into book platforms such as text-to-speech and reversible text formats. To create also a collaborative, interactive digital platforms that facilitate group learning and cater to a range of learning difficulties. Also, to guarantee that digital solutions are inclusive and thorough, establish collaborations with organizations that specialize in education accessibility. And by taking these steps, everyone in the community will have more access to digital resources, which will improve their educational opportunities. Plan of implementation. There are phases and timeline. For months 1 to 4, the adaptive technologies and cooperative platforms are first developed. Months 5 to 8, conduct beta testing with specific community groups in order to get input. Months 9 to 12, features for digital accessibility are launched, taking users' feedback into account for last-minute tweaks. The resources allocation, these are to set aside funds for instructional content experts, technical development teams, and accessibility testing and required tools. This investment guarantees that the platforms function well and satisfy a range of community requirements. Innovation audit and challenges. Findings from the audit. These difficulties include, there are difficulties that include those related to technologies, the intricacies of integrating new and old systems, and the requirement for ongoing maintenance and updates to guarantee functionality and applicability. Mitigation strategies to address these issues, implement technology in phases to facilitate integration, create ongoing user feedback loops to improve features, and provide thorough training sessions for both users and bookstore employees. These tactics guarantee the digital instrument's successful adaptation of and ongoing usefulness. And finally, we got conclusion and a call to action. By making bookshelves more digitally accessible, bookstores help people with a range of learning requirements and increase their influence and reach in the community. Bookstores may play a key role as educational resources by implementing inclusive digital solutions, which will increase community involvement and learning opportunities. And the supporters of this project are asked to acknowledge the significant advantages of increasing educational accessibility for all. That will be the presentation. Next slide will be the reference list, and that's my presentation. Thank you very much.